This tutorial will show you how to set up and operate the Shotline linear. One thing to consider when setting up Shotline is what you will attach your rope to. Trees and fence posts are ideal. We use 6mm pre-stretched rope. The first thing to do is find the end with the carabiner attached. Wrap this around your first fixing point and clip it back onto itself. This provides a sturdy fixing for your first point. Then reel the rope out to your second fixing point. Once your rope is roughly in position, pull it tight and measure roughly 1.5 to 2 meters away from your fixing point. Then tie a basic loop in the rope. This is going to be your anchor point for the ratchet straps. With your ratchet strap, the first thing to do is to feed the tail into the ratchet and lock it off. Then attach one of the hooks into the loop. The rest of the ratchet strap then goes round your anchor point and the other hook attaches back into the loop. The next thing to do is to release the ratchet and pull the tail until your rope is off the ground and as tight as you can get it. Once you've done that, lock the ratchet and tighten it up as much as you can. Setting up the linear unit itself is extremely easy. Take the main top unit and the cradle. Undo the 2 wing nuts on the bottom of the main frame. Fit your cradle onto the 2 screws and reattach the wing nuts. Tighten up the wing nuts until they are finger tight. Once the cradle has been fitted, your Shotline linear is ready to be mounted to the rope. First, move the central wheel to its bottom position by unlocking it and sliding it down. Tighten it up and it's ready to go. Mount the drive wheel on first, then fit the rope between the other 2 wheels. Depending on your rope length, you may want to unlock the 3rd wheel and bring it up slightly into the underside of the rope. Attach the leash for extra security. Next, you want to grab the controller and a battery. Undo the Velcro straps on the side of the main frame box. Slide the battery in and do the Velcro straps up again. Using the Dean's connector, connect it to the port on the side of the box. Your linear unit is now ready to be used. You just need to add a camera. To add the camera, use the tripod screw attached and find the correct balance point using the 3 different lines available on the underside of the cradle. Using the manual lever on the edge of the cradle, you can adjust the tilt and then lock it off in its position. Turn the controller on first and then slide the power switch on the side of the linear unit to the on position. Use the right stick to pan and tilt the cradle, then use the stick on the left to control drive.